Every premium leather product begins with carefully prepared raw material. Each hide is inspected before the transformation begins.
Natural texture becomes the foundation of premium leather.
The prepared hide now enters the controlled factory process. Controlled washing prepares the material for precise processing. Excess moisture is removed before the next critical stage. Irregular edges are removed to prepare a consistent leather sheet. Controlled thickness gives the leather consistency for later shaping. The prepared leather moves deeper into the factory. Now the White Grey Brahman Bull leather enters its main transformation. The prepared White Grey Brahman Bull leather is transported under controlled conditions.
Every bundle is secured before the journey begins. The leather begins its controlled journey to the processing facility.
The destination is a specialized facility built for leather transformation. The White Grey Brahman Bull leather reaches the processing facility.
Controlled entry keeps every stage of production organized.
The raw leather arrives at the factory's receiving department.
Mechanical handling moves the leather safely into production.
The incoming leather is verified before entering the production line.
From receiving, the White Grey Brahman Bull leather moves into the next stage of production. Inside this facility, White Grey Brahman Bull leather begins its journey toward a luxury finished product. Every stage is organized inside one continuous production system. The leather now enters the heart of the factory. Here, raw leather moves through a carefully controlled sequence of machines. Precise positioning prepares every hide for consistent processing. The first major cleaning stage is ready to begin. Controlled settings keep the leather process precise and repeatable.
Alignment ensures the material enters the machinery correctly. Controlled cleaning removes unwanted surface material before deeper processing.
Cleaned and ready, the White Grey Brahman Bull leather moves toward detailed sorting. Now every White Grey Brahman Bull leather hide is carefully sorted. Its natural surface determines how the leather will be used. Every visible variation is identified before precision processing. Accurate measurement helps maximize every usable section of leather. Thickness is checked to maintain consistency throughout the material. Irregular edges are removed to create a clean working shape. A final mechanical cleaning prepares the leather for deeper treatment. The best leather is directed toward the premium production line. Premium material now moves into the core transformation stage.
The White Grey Brahman Bull leather is ready for its main transformation.
The core transformation of the White Grey Brahman Bull leather begins. Controlled movement and treatment begin changing the raw leather.
Every parameter is controlled for consistent leather quality. Mechanical agitation helps create an even treatment across the leather. Controlled rinsing removes remaining processing residues. Excess moisture is mechanically removed before drying. Mechanical softening gives the leather greater flexibility. The leather is prepared for controlled moisture removal. Controlled drying brings the leather toward its finished working condition. The processed White Grey Brahman Bull leather is now ready for its final transformation into premium material. Conditioning prepares the White Grey Brahman Bull leather for its premium finish. Controlled pressure creates a smoother, more uniform leather surface. Carefully controlled drying stabilizes the finished leather. Its natural grain remains visible beneath the controlled finish. A precise finish protects the leather while preserving its premium appearance. Controlled airflow sets the surface finish evenly. Precision finishing gives the leather the texture required for luxury guitar straps.
The leather is now flexible, consistent, and ready for precision cutting.
Every usable section is positioned carefully before cutting. Precision cutting transforms the finished leather into the foundation of luxury guitar straps. Automation now organizes every White Grey Brahman Bull leather strap piece with precision. Automated edge processing creates consistent strap dimensions. Every edge is refined for a clean, professional finish. Automated scanning verifies every critical dimension. Precise positioning prepares each strap for accurate hardware fitting. Automated punching produces consistent adjustment points on every strap. High-stress areas receive additional reinforcement for long-term durability. Heavy-duty stitching locks the reinforced leather sections securely in place. Precision hardware completes the functional structure of each strap. The finished White Grey Brahman Bull leather straps now move toward precision finishing. Every White Grey Brahman Bull leather strap receives its final precision treatment. Smooth edges give the leather strap a refined, professional finish. A controlled edge finish protects the strap during repeated use. The surface is polished without hiding the natural character of the leather. Every stitch is checked for strength and consistency. Reliable hardware completes the working structure of the strap.
Controlled flex testing checks how the leather performs under repeated movement.
The adjustment system is tested for smooth and reliable movement.
A final cleaning reveals the finished leather surface.
The White Grey Brahman Bull leather guitar straps are ready for final. Before leaving the factory, every White Grey Brahman Bull leather strap must pass final inspection.
The final surface must meet strict visual quality standards.
Precise measurements confirm that every strap meets its required specifications.
Consistent thickness supports reliable performance.
Strength testing verifies the durability of the finished leather construction.
The reinforced stitching must withstand repeated stress.
Repeated flexing checks the leather's performance under movement.
Every adjustment mechanism must operate smoothly and securely.
Only approved White Grey Brahman Bull leather straps move to packaging. After passing every test, the finished straps enter the final packaging stage. The finished White Grey Brahman Bull leather guitar straps are ready for final presentation.
Every strap is arranged consistently for safe presentation.
Protective packaging keeps the finished leather product secure. A precise seal prepares each package for storage and shipment. Every finished package is digitally identified before leaving production.
The protected straps are packed into shipping cartons for their journey ahead.
Finished White Grey Brahman Bull leather products enter organized warehouse storage. The finished products remain protected until dispatch.
From the factory floor to the loading dock, the journey is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce White Grey Brahman Bull leather luxury guitar straps from start to finish.